Law of indices. Today lesson about law of indices. Law of indices. So before it, subscribe A to Z sir by visiting youtube.com A to Z sir. In law of indices, we just remember some of the rules which is mostly applicable for the indices solution problem and solution. So first one we call the power rule, power product law. And this law can be exchangeable also. So it may be product law, it may be first one is division law, or it may be power law. So not a matter which one is the order. So just you have to know the product law means what is the matter. So if x to the power or a to the power m into a to the power n, then the product law says a to the power m plus n, where a does not equal to 0. Okay, so a does not equal to 0, then only be power law, product law be applicable. So for the next one, second one is just a division law. And in this law we have some of the question in the form of quiescent form. So we can call the quiescent law also so a to the power m and divide a to the power n, or simply you got a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So in nominator or denominator form, the result will be a to the power m minus n, where same as where a does not equal to 0. So in this way we go for the next one. Third one is a power law. Suppose in power law they mention a to the power m and to the power n whole part, and then we can multiply this one as a to the power m into n. Okay, so simply we can arrange them also, a to the power n into m also. That's why we go for a to the power n and a to the power m. So there is a same rule where a does not equal to where a does not equal to 0. So then only be applicable for this rule. Okay, so for the next one we go for the next one, and it's in the form of just a product or a quotient. Suppose a into b to the power m, then we must supply the power m to both. So a to the power m and into b to the power m, where a and b does not equal to 0. So same way, and the product in quotient form also. So a by b and to the power m, then it must be a to the power m divided by b to the power m, where same as a and b does not equal to 0. So in this way the form be expressed. Okay, so now go for the next one. Okay, we have a to the power. If a to the power like this, a to the power minus m, then we go for a to 1 by a to the power m. And this is another type where a must be a does not equal to 0. And similarly we go for the next rule, and we have if mth root of a, then we have a to the power 1 by m. Okay, so a to the power 1 by m we can write same way, and a does not equal to 0, and m belongs to a natural number. Okay, so m belongs to natural number, and sometime we got a natural another natural number, and then we can also treat it as the same as a previous rule. So after using the negative of the minus m, and then go for the next one, previous formula. Okay, so